Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. Today, we'll be covering some of the most essential Excel formulas that will help you get started with data analysis. We'll explore basic but powerful formulas like sum, to quickly add up numbers in a range; count, to count the number of entries; average, to find the average value of your data; max, to identify the highest value; and min, to find the lowest value in your data. These formulas are the foundation of many data operations in Excel. And mastering them will save you time and boost your productivity. So, let's dive in and see how these functions can simplify your work. Sum formula. In Excel, when you need to add up a range of numbers, the sum formula is the most efficient way to do it. You can easily apply the formula by typing sum and selecting the range of cells you want to add. This method is especially useful when dealing with multiple cells, making calculations faster and more organized. For comparison, you can also use simple addition by manually typing the cell references with a plus sign, like A1 plus A2 plus A3. While both methods achieve the same result, the sum formula is more efficient, especially when working with large ranges of data. Watch this video to see how we apply the sum formula to quickly and efficiently calculate a range of data in Excel. Count formula. In Excel, when you need to count the number of cells containing numeric values within a range, the count formula is a quick and efficient solution. You can simply type count and select the range of cells you want to count, as shown in the example below. For comparison, you could manually count the cells, but this method is prone to error and time-consuming, especially with larger datasets. While both approaches aim to achieve the same result, the count formula offers greater accuracy and convenience by automatically updating whenever the data changes. Watch this video to see how we apply the count formula to accurately count data in Excel. Average formula. In Excel, when you want to calculate the average of a range of numbers, the average formula provides a simple and effective solution. You can easily enter the formula average followed by the range of cells you want to analyze, as demonstrated in the snapshot below. For comparison, you might also calculate the average manually by summing the values and dividing by the count of numbers. While both methods aim to achieve the same outcome, the average formula is more efficient and reduces the likelihood of errors, especially when dealing with larger datasets. Watch this video to learn how to apply the average formula for calculating average data in Excel. Max formula. In Excel, when you need to find the highest value within a range of numbers, the max formula provides a quick and efficient solution. You can easily type max followed by the range of cells, as shown in the snapshot below. For comparison, you could manually inspect and determine the highest value from the range. While both methods serve the same purpose, the max formula is much more reliable and faster, especially when working with larger datasets, as it minimizes the risk of errors and saves time. Watch this video to see how we apply the max formula to easily find the highest value in Excel. Min formula. In Excel, when you need to find the smallest value within a range of numbers, the min formula offers a quick and accurate solution. Simply enter min followed by the range of cells, as shown in the snapshot below. For comparison, you could manually inspect the values and determine the smallest number by eye. While both methods achieve the same goal, the min formula is much more efficient, especially with larger datasets, as it reduces the risk of errors and saves time. Watch this video to see how we apply the min formula to easily find the lowest value in Excel. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has helped you master the Excel formulas we covered today. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the SkillPro channel for more tips, tricks, and training videos to sharpen your skills and boost your productivity. See you in the next video.